Hi, I recently tested the LG Swing, but that is not why we're here today. Instead, if you've got one of those and want to restore it to its factory settings, be it whether you're selling or getting rid of it in any other way, or just want to see if a factory reset can work out some software kinks, then this is how you perform one of those. First, begin by turning the monitor on and click on the cogwheel icon to the left. In the Settings menu, then select the other cogwheel icon to go to the, Other Settings menu. In here, though, select General, followed by System, and then Reset to Initial Settings. Here, if you for some reason would want to, you can choose to keep your network settings. Otherwise, and if you want the monitor to, at least software-wise, act like it's never been used before, select Reset All to start the factory reset process. Then wait for about a minute until you see this screen, and also probably get really frightened by a voice somewhat screaming,
"Press the OK button, wheel on your remote."
From here then, just unplug the whole thing if you're selling or getting rid of it, or keep setting it up following the on-screen instructions if you want to keep using it. Alright, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.